The number two, is for a two-spirit. Now, this is a term that was actually coined in Winnipeg in 1990 by a group of queer Aboriginal people that were that came together and realized the mainstream gender and sexual diversity community didn't have a term for them that showcased their culture, which had historically accepted queer Aboriginal people within First Nations ceremonies, within First Nations tribes. It isn't a literal term. I mean, there's not necessarily two spirits within one person. It's more along the lines of there are two identities that, for the most part, people see as almost separate, but for a two-spirit person are one and the same, and that being their queer identity and their Aboriginal identity. So they're not separate for them, but all together. And I use that term as well, two-spirit, because I feel very strongly with it. I identify with my culture. I identify as being a queer person. And yeah, that's two-spirit.